Websites through Cabins Press require little work on the part of the author. Here we have our author website with no books featured. Let's change that. There are two ways of doing this. First, let's go to My Books, click on the book, and select Edit Details. Under Publication Status, let's change it to Coming Soon. Click Save. Now let's check the website. And here's our book. We can click on it and see more details. Next, I'll show you the second way. Let's go back to Cabins Press. Go to Website, then Books. Click on the three dots next to the book and select Edit. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the status setting. You can change this back to Not Listed. Now, let's go back to the author website and refresh the page. And there you go, the book is gone. Check out our videos on how to add links to your book listing or how to create a custom website domain on Cabins Press.